ganun na eh.
Actually, akong first impression sa'yo kay medyo mayabang.
Actually, medyo boyish si April before. Yung tipong yung mga shirt niya, mas maluwang pa sa typical na lalaki.
I really want, I mean, the way mag siya na i-carry ang sarili, medyo poised ka ay ba?
Although medyo boyish siya, talagang gandang-ganda ako sa kanya. Kasi talagang demure siya, mainhi.
The smiles returning to the faces. Darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes
Hi, Hubs. So, wala akong nag-expect na ikaw gidi ay congratulations. Swerte kay ka, joke lang. Swerte kay ko. And thank you for loving me and for choosing me. I'll make sure na we'll both be happy. Love you.
sa pagkumpas.
Nagsimula tayo as two people with dreams and uncertainties. And over time, we've built something beautiful. Something that I never thought I could ever have.
Isang libong duda, silong sa iyak at pagluluksan. Kung puso ko
Actually, pre, 6 na taon na kami. Oo. Pero siya kasi, pinursu niya yung pagiging doktor niya ba?
So, 6 na taon kayong MDR.
Oo, madalas, lumilipat daw 4 times to 6 times sa Luzon. Para makita lang siya. Siya na talaga. Kompleter ka nun, nakita niyo naman, di ba?
kita
Sana maganda yung takbo ng buhay mo, kayo ni Efren. Congrats din kay Efren dahil minahal ka niya. At sana rin maraming blessings at maganda ang pagsasama niyo.
ikaw lamang na kasagutan.
Through text, the night of February 24, 6 years ago. Less than a month ka pa lang nanliligaw and I was about to resign from biotech when I asked you if you would still court me even if we wouldn't be able to see each other as often after I resigned. You said hindi ka manliligaw, pakakasalan mo ako agad. And you used the classic pick-up line, just love me now and I will court you forever. Nandito ako ngayon para singilin yun.
Davao to Manila, via plane, 3 hours. Pero minsan, syempre, nadidelay yung aeroplano. Nakatry ako 8 hours. Manila to Ilocos, 12 hours. A total of 31 hours o isang araw at 7 oras. Parang delivery express lang, pero ako yung parcel. Ganun kita kamahal, April.
Pero to be honest with you, I'm tired. Nakakapagod din palang magbabay. Nakakapagod mag-antay kung kailan ulit tayo magkikita. Nakakapagod mag-empake at bumiyahe. Kaya ibahin na natin. Simula ngayon, walang araw na di tayo magkikita. Ang uuwian at ang pipiliin sa araw-araw. Ikaw ang magiging kasama sa lahat ng lakad.
Maligaw man at mawala at umikot man.
For both parents, thank you kaayo sa pagpadako sa kuha, sa pagpalangga, thank you sa support. Hatod karon thank you kaayo kay namin sa amo ang side for support kayo. Thank you sa support and sa love kay Norly, sa iyong family. Thank you.
Kaliwa, kung di mo man o hilaga ang bawat.
Do not aspire to change April. April, do not aspire to change Norley. 29 years, gimold si Norley sa iyang ginikanan. They have their own culture, they have their own traditions. The same is true with you, April. So do not change one another. What I'm saying is accept kung unsa ang imong asawa dawata, kung unsa imong bana dawata, ang kaniyang maayo dawata, pati ang kaniyang bati. dawaton nimo. Kay nga nung dili malipay na ang marriage because someone wants to change the husband or the wife or the husband want to change the wife. Pero dili na, by God's grace lang, may tabo ka na. So don't do that. Accept your uniqueness. Kay unique mong duha.
After 6 years of counting down days until we could see each other again, I can finally say, wala nang delayed flight. Wala nang layover. Nandito na ako to stay. Mahal kita and I can't wait to spend forever with you.
Go, Tiging, congrats sa inyo ha. Happy ko.
Hi ate and kuya. Congratulations sa inyo.
Dati pa lang alam ko na kayo yung magkakatuluyan. So I'm really happy for you and may God bless your marriage.
Ang best wishes. Unta, remember ni mo to ako sa imo about Eastern Girl.
May your marriage life be filled with love, laughter, and happiness.
Congratulations sa inyo! May God bless you and magiging successful ang future.
Boss! Bossing! Congrats sa inyo, Nate. April at saka ni Orle. Mabuhay kayo.
It's alright.